Welcome back to our channel How to Guide, where we post guide videos. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can see your transaction history on your Roblox on your PC or your Mac. Alright, this is going to work both for Mac users and Windows users because you can use your Safari browser for this. Alright, and for other PC users like Windows, you can just open your Google Chrome browser or just like your Edge, Microsoft Edge. Alright, and just go to your browser and search for roblox.com. And you need to do this on browser because in the app version or like the downloaded version of Roblox, it's not going to work. Once you come to roblox.com, you need to log in into your account. After you log in into your account, basically what you need to do is click on this Roblox icon at the top right corner of your screen. Once you click on the Roblox icon, it's going to show you your amount of Robux you have on your account. So I have 0 Robux, that's why it's showing me 0 Robux. So I'm going to click on 0 Robux. Alright, once you click on 0 Robux, it's going to take you over here. And under summary, all of your transaction history, like how much money you have spent buying Robux and how much Robux you have bought, is going to be shown over here. But since I have bought 0 Robux in this account, it's showing me 0. But if you guys have bought Robux using like your money, then it's going to be shown over here. Alright. But if you have gotten free Robux, it's not going to be shown. But if you have bought Robux, it's going to be shown over here inside like the summary tab right below summary. Alright. You can also click on like the past 30 days and choose like of the record. So you can only see like 1 year record. After 1 year, it's going to be resetted. All right. So if you want to see your 1 year, transaction history, click on past year. If you want to see your 7 days, you can click on 7 days over here. You can click on summary and choose purchases as well to show you purchases like what you have purchased over here. All right. So hope you guys understand on how you guys can see your transaction history on Roblox. So don't forget to hit the like and subscribe and bye bye.